Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make online study videos. First, begin by clearly defining what you want your viewers to learn. Consider who your audience is and what they already know. Next, outline the main topics and any subtopics you'll cover to ensure a logical flow. Finally, select a video format that best suits your content, whether it's a lecture, tutorial, or demonstration, to keep viewers engaged. Now, let's create your content. Develop a thorough script or detailed talking points to guide your presentation smoothly. Design visually appealing slides or graphics that reinforce your message without overwhelming the viewer. When recording, prioritize excellent lighting and crisp, clear audio. These are crucial for a professional feel. Always choose a quiet space to minimize background noise and distractions. After recording, the editing process refines your video. Start by removing any awkward pauses, errors, or irrelevant sections to keep it concise. Enhance engagement by adding a professional intro and outro, subtle background music, and seamless transitions between segments. Use text overlays and annotations to highlight key information or provide additional context. Finally, export your video in a high-resolution format for the best viewing experience. The final step is sharing your hard work. Select a video hosting platform that aligns with your goals, such as YouTube or a learning management system. Craft an engaging title and a descriptive summary that accurately reflects your video's content. Utilize relevant tags and keywords to help viewers find your video through searches. Promote your video across social media and other appropriate channels to reach a wider audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.